Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials. Here I am with the answer key. I'll be discussing the MCQs and the give reason portion. And I hope आपका एग्जाम बहुत अच्छा गया होगा सबका. तो आइए थोड़ा सा आंसर्स टैली कर लीजिए, देखिए कितना राइट हुआ है आपका. चलिए सेक्शन है. How does Ross describe Macduff to Lady Macduff in Act 4, Scene 2 of the play Macbeth? Easy question. Noble, wise, and judicious. Noble, wise and judicious. Dishonest नहीं होगा, ambitious नहीं होगा, loyal, brave and trustworthy नहीं बोलता है, ठीक है. Noble, wise and judicious. चलिए next question. In his soliloquy in Act 3, Scene 1 of the play Macbeth, which one of the following does Macbeth refer to as a reason for fearing Banquo? डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन हमने अपना एमसीक्यू सीरीज में भी किया था. बिकॉज बैंको's descendants will become kings. Okay, two options we had to select. So one will be Banquo's descendant will become king, and at the same time Banquo is royal in his nature. So Q and R is your correct option. ठीक है. Next one. Knots had all spent where our desire is got without content. What does this quote by Lady Macbeth in Act 3, Scene 2 of the play Macbeth reveal about her mental state? That she realizes the futility, which means the uselessness of her power. Next one. In Act 5, Scene 5 of the play Macbeth, what is Macbeth's first reaction when the messenger informs him that the woods have begun to move? He says that he disbelieves him and calls him a liar. ठीक है. Number 5. Why did Charushashi smash Tarapodo's flute in the story Atithi? She was overcome with jealousy and anger. What does the ever-ticking clock in the story There Will Come Soft Rain symbolize? That time is all-powerful and ever-present. Read the following statements. Tomorrow, he said, when you come home, it will be time to give you the medicine bag. I felt a heart squeeze from where my heart is supposed to be and was scared, but I answered, okay, Grandpa. So, when Grandpa said that he will give him the medicine bag, and that is when he felt a little uneasy and scared. So, statement 2 is the reason for statement 1. Option C should be your answer. Which one of the following best describes Beethoven's father's attitude towards him in the poem Beethoven? With every musical chord that Beethoven struck, his father wanted to bring out that note of perfection. So he drove Beethoven to perfection. He wanted Beethoven to make that perfect musical notes. In the poem Small Town and River, what is river compared to? A torrent of grief, quite direct of a question. And the last one, in the poem Tithonus, what does Tennyson illustrate about? The woods decay, man comes and tills the field and lies beneath. The natural cycle of life and death. Chaliye. Moving to the give reason section. Obviously, some of them I've written over here so that I don't want to get confused. In Act 3, Scene 5 of the play Macbeth, Hecate is angry with the three weird sisters because they greeted Macbeth in prophetic greetings without consulting her. This should be your answer. Okay. Next one. In Act 4, Scene 3 of the play Macbeth, Malcolm is suspicious of Macduff's intentions because he feels Macduff might have aligned himself with Macbeth. Besides, he argues that Macbeth hasn't harmed him yet. ठीक है? Besides, Macbeth hasn't harmed him yet. In Act 5, Scene 1 of the play Macbeth, the doctor says the disease is beyond my practice because because Lady Macbeth was mentally afflicted and not physically sick. Besides, if you want, you can write that the doctor had said that she requires spiritual support and not the doctor's support. Okay? In Act 4, Scene 1 of the play Macbeth, Macbeth gets angry at the witches when they show him the vision of the line of 8 kings because it reminds him of the futility, that is uselessness of his kingly position, and he feels that the witches have indeed placed a fruitless crown on the head of Macbeth. In the short story The Medicine Bag, Martin and his family felt guilty when Grandpa traveled all alone to their home because of his age. He had taken a long and exhaustive journey. Take a long and exhaustive journey, and besides, Grandpa felt lonely whenever Martin and his family paid a visit to him, and when they came back, he used to feel all alone. Next one. In the short story The Cookie Lady, when Bubber informs Mrs. Drew that that it would be his last visit, she is stunned because she had not fulfilled her sinister desires yet. Okay? And what were her sinister desires? She would draw out the vitality from that of young children. Okay? Next, in the short story Atithi, Motilal Babu is initially reluctant to marry his daughter to Tarapoddo because he knew nothing about Tarapoddo's background. So how could he get his daughter married to an unknown man? So he did not know anything about Tarapoddo's background. In the poem Tithonus terms his immortality as cruel because it has left him maimed and locked him permanently in his body with a withering state. Okay? That he is physically decaying over the span of time. So he feels locked up, he feels trapped in his body, and he feels maimed, he feels all doomed. Okay? In the poem Beethoven, the musicians made fun of Beethoven's madness because they could not understand Beethoven's genius, and they lacked the gravity and depth to understand Beethoven's musical compositions. Okay, musical compositions. And the last one, in the poem Telephone Conversation, the speaker on the phone makes a self-confession because owing to his past racial discriminatory experiences he confessed his race and added that he hated futile, that is wasted journey. ठीक है? Owing to his past racial discriminatory experiences, he confessed his race and added that he hated futile journey. This should be your answer. So do let me know in the comment section below how many of you all have got it correct, the MCQs and the give reasons part. And I think council has been very benevolent in terms of question. बहुत easy part आया है from Act 4 Scene 2, that is Lady Macduff's response to that of her husband's escape, fleeing, कि वो भाग गया है Macduff. What secret does Lady Macbeth reveal as she walk in her sleepwalking scene? This too was important and it was bound to come. Do you think Malcolm has the kingly qualities that Macbeth lacks? That means you all had to draw a character contrast between Malcolm and Macbeth. I think quite easy of a question. Iska answer hona chahiye yes. Malcolm indeed has the quality that of a king, a royal king, a noble king, which Macbeth lacks, because Malcolm is ambitious, but he is not over ambitious like Macbeth. I think I did not like this question. The minor characters wala, I think first batch mein nahi dena chahiye tha, and besides I feel most of you all would have attempted this one. Prism Indigo has come for 5 marks, quite easy of the topic. The consequences of Aniruddha's decision. Obstacle, that is he had flat tire not once but twice, effect on him and his journey. And besides, I think paper was quite easy. Board has been quite kind and nice to you all for this paper. Okay, so do let me know in the comment section below for any doubts and queries. Please refer to my YouTube channel and have a great time preparing for your economics examination, which is next, and my support will be there with you guys. Take care. Goodbye. See you all.